So weight transfer to your right foot, and you separate like this, and then you turn, become lunge. So many people have difficulties to do that. Now I'm going to do the modified form for you. Okay. Weight on your right, and step your left foot out. Okay, some people even have difficulty to step to the left. You can, if you have difficulty to the left, maybe because the gluteus here is too tight, but you can try to step back a little bit. This one, most of people, many more people can do this way. Okay, so weight on your right, step back, tiny bit only, weight still on your right leg, and place weight on the heel, turn this foot that way. Now transfer weight slowly, turn your waist, and place weight on the toe, so you turn your back foot. Can you see my back foot? Okay, now you have a perfect lunge. Okay, let me repeat again. So weight on your right, left foot step back a little bit, place weight on your heel, turn this foot facing that way, parallel to the floor, and slowly transfer your weight and turn your waist. Place weight on the toe, so heel is going out. Now this foot 45 degrees. So now lunge. Okay, now we're going to turn around, shift your weight to your right foot, turn your left foot, so you lift up your toe, pointing that way. So you just lift up your toe, and that is about 90 degrees. Weight transfer to your left, bring your right foot in. Now place right foot back a little bit. Lift up your toe a little bit, place weight on your heel. Now your right foot pointing straight. Slowly transfer weight to your right, turn your waist. Now place weight on the toe, so turn the heel out, become 45 degrees. Now perfect lunge on this way. Now we just repeat, shift your weight to your left, turn your right foot, pointing that way, transfer weight to your right, bring your left foot in. So your left foot step back a little bit, lift up the toe, weight on your turn on your heel, and turn your body, place weight on your toe. So make this for 45 degrees. Now perfect lunge again. Okay, now do the other side. Weight transfer to this leg, lift up the toe, turn facing that way. Weight transfer to this leg. Bring your right foot closer. Step your right foot out a little bit. Lift up the toe, place weight on the heel, and turn straight. Transfer your weight to the right leg and turn the waist and turn the body. So place weight on the toe. Okay, so I hope that is much easier for you when we are doing this parting wild horseman. So you do the footwork first. So you do the footwork first. Turn. This is a modified form of doing the part in the wild horseman. Okay. Step back, and then you turn the foot, and then place weight on the back toe, and then transfer your weight again to the left. Lift up your right foot, lift up your right hands. Weight transfer to your right foot, and you put in your left foot in. Step your left foot back a little bit. Now, slowly transfer weight to your left foot, and lift up your left toe, weight on your heel. Slowly transfer weight. Now place weight on the right toe and put the heel out. Now right foot 45 degrees. Okay, so this is a modified weight, modified movement to do part in wild horseman. Okay.